Chapter 4, Spirit, Feeling. Not by might, nor by power, but by my Spirit, saith the Lord of hosts. Zechariah 4 verse 6. Get into the spirit of the state desired by assuming the feeling that would be yours were you already the one you want to be. As you capture the feeling of the state sought, you are relieved of all effort to make it so, for it is already so. There is a definite feeling associated with every idea in the mind of man. Capture the feeling associated with your realized wish by assuming the feeling that would be yours were you already in possession of the thing you desire, and your wish will objectify itself. Faith is feeling. According to your faith, feeling, be it unto you. Matthew 9 verse 29. You never attract that which you want but always that which you are. As a man is, so does he see. To him that hath it shall be given, and to him that hath not it shall be taken away. Matthew 13 verse 12, 25 verse 29, Mark 4 verse 25, Luke 8 verse 18, 19:26. That which you feel yourself to be, you are, and you are given that which you are. So assume the feeling that would be yours were you already in possession of your wish, and your wish must be realized. So God created man in his own image, in the image of God created he him. Genesis 1 verse 27. Let this mind be in you which was also in Christ Jesus, who being in the form of God, thought it not robbery to be equal with God. Philippians 2 verses 5 and 6. You are that which you believe yourself to be. Instead of believing in God or in Jesus, believe you are God or you are Jesus. He that believeth on me, the works that I do shall he do also. John 14 verse 12. Should be he that believes as I believe, the works that I do shall he do also. Jesus found it not strange to do the works of God because he believed himself to be God. I and my Father are one. John 10 verse 30. It is natural to do the works of the one you believe yourself to be. So live in the feeling of being the one you want to be and that you shall be. When a man believes in the value of the advice given him and applies it, he establishes within himself the reality of success.